In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a powerful tool to plan a weekly menu, manage a tight budget, and organize your grocery shopping. Let's get started. I begin by navigating to the ChatGPT homepage in my web browser to start a fresh session. To make this process as efficient as possible, I've already prepared my specific requirements in a separate text document. I'm highlighting and copying my very first prompt, which is crucial because it sets the context. I'm introducing myself as Josh, a working dad in Quezon City, and explaining that I need to feed a family of 4 on a weekly budget of 2,500 pesos. I'm also specifying a preference for 30-minute Filipino meals and a strict, no seafood, rule. I paste this into the message bar and hit send. ChatGPT immediately acknowledges my request, repeating back my constraints to confirm it will focus on affordable, Palenque-friendly ingredients. I scroll through its initial response to see how it plans to approach the challenge. Now that the AI understands the ground rules, I go back to my notes to copy the second prompt. This one asks for the actual 7-day meal plan, covering breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the entire week. I paste it into the chat and send it off. As I scroll down, you can see ChatGPT generating a detailed table. What's great here is that it intelligently suggests using dinner leftovers for the following day's lunch, which is a massive time saver for busy parents. It also provides a running estimate of the costs for each meal to ensure we stay within that 2,500 peso limit. I take a moment to review the variety of dishes, ensuring they all meet the 30-minute prep goal. To make the actual shopping trip easier, I return to my document to copy the third prompt. This instruction tells ChatGPT to take that meal plan and turn it into a categorized grocery list. I paste it and watch as it organizes everything into logical sections like vegetables, meat and poultry, and pantry staples. I scroll through the entire list, checking the subtotals for each category to make sure the final estimated cost is realistic for a trip to the local market or supermarket. Next, I want to see how ChatGPT handles specific cooking instructions, so I copy my fourth prompt. I'm asking for a simple, step-by-step recipe for adobong manok that serves 4 people. Once I paste and send this, the AI provides a full breakdown, including an ingredient list with costs and the total time needed for prep and cooking. The instructions are written in clear, numbered steps that are very beginner-friendly. I'm scrolling down to the bottom where it even includes a free flavor tip, suggesting that I let the adobo rest before serving to let the flavors really soak in. Finally, to ensure the week goes smoothly, I copy my last prompt, which asks for a 2-hour Sunday meal prep routine. I paste it into the chat and review the results. ChatGPT creates a timed schedule that explains exactly how to clean, chop, and marinate the ingredients in advance. This routine is designed to make weekday cooking much faster, often dropping the actual cook time to just 15 or 20 minutes. I scroll through the final prep guide, which neatly organizes the tasks into a manageable afternoon session, making the whole week feel much more organized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.